In this question, the expression that we have is x squared minus x minus 1. And to factorize it further, we'll follow the AC method. The method that states that if ax squared plus bx plus c is a given trinomial, then we compute AC to further find two factors such that the sum of these two factors is equal to p, that is the coefficient of x. So in this case, AC is equal to minus of 1. And we need to factorize two numbers such that we shall obtain minus 1. And the factors of minus 1, plus minus or minus plus, but the factors of 1 are only possible, that is 1 and 1, if we are looking for whole numbers, that is the natural numbers or the integers. So if we are looking for those, the only possible factor